Best deals. These smart floor cleaning mop will safely cleans up all types of flooring, including tiles, vinyl, and hardwood, with ease using our reusable microfiber pads. It also collects hairs, food crumbs, and dust, and can be conveniently washed in your washing machine. Designed with convenience in mind for maximum efficiency, the bucket and mop are easy to assemble and use, making floor cleaning quick and easy, virtually one-handed. All the product links are given in the description. 1. Flat mop. With bucket is equipped with the latest technology and turns at 360 degrees for comprehensive floor cleaning. Featuring an innovative 2-in-1 dry and wet hands-free squeeze, a mop bucket adopts advanced self-squeeze technology. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Duster. Made of premium aluminum to ensure lightweight. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Cleaning brush. You can access all areas with the home tub and tile floor scrubbing brush. This has been made possible by our high-grade durable long telescopic handle. Brush scrubber is made of high-quality PP material, stainless steel and iron, while threaded joints tighten the rods with firm locking. The padded handle provides a soft, non-slip and comfortable grip, making it easy to hold even when wet. When cleaning is done, you can hang your bathroom scrubber on the wall using the utility hook, keeping clutter to a minimum. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Metal rake. Made from high-quality steel so it is both strong and lightweight, a bonus when there are a lot of heavy leaves to lift up. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Brush. Crafted using cutting-edge technology, this push broom brush is built to last, surpassing ordinary brooms in terms of durability and performance. This 4-section rod push broom brush allows you to effortlessly clean all outdoor and indoor areas without straining your body. Adjust it to your preferred length and enjoy hassle-free cleaning. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Spin mop. Dual refill ensures usage depending on cleaning occasion and frequency and ensures that it lasts longer. 360-degree telescopic handle to reach nooks and corners easily. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Fan cleaner. Equipped with unique cleaning head, designed to clean ceiling fan without using ladder, walls, baseboards, moldings, windows, blinds, tile, floor. No more ladders or chair to clean your ceiling fan. Also, for those hard to reach spider webs in the corner ceiling areas, use a microfiber mop, orange colored, to remove stains without harming surfaces. Excellent for cleaning washable wallpaper, baseboards, woodwork, doors, wall coverings, and baseboards. Use a microfiber, orange colored, mop to keep your floors dust free and spotless. Or clean windows before dusting them. Use on any flat surface is possible, similar to windows, vinyl, laminate, hardwood, and tile floors. A thick rubber blade won't leave smudges and won't scratch your tiles or windows. Floor. 3-in-1 cleaning tool. Excellent home gadgets cleaning supplies for household cleaning. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Microfiber duster. The head of the fan cleaner can be bent at multiple angles, allowing you to effortlessly maneuver around furniture, ceiling fans, and other hard-to-reach areas. This flexibility enhances your cleaning efficiency and ensures thorough dust removal. The durable handle extends from 25-inch to a remarkable 60 inches, enabling you to clean high ceilings, tall shelves, and other elevated areas without needing a ladder. Its retractable design makes it easy to store in compact spaces. Constructed from premium microfiber, this duster is designed to attract and hold onto dust, dirt, and allergens effectively. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Window cleaner. Magnetic wiper is made of high-quality plastic and magnet and offers strong magnetic force with an integrated water storage sponge to clean the glass. The magnet is not easy to demagnetize and the internal cleaning wadding is a replaceable, durable window cleaning tool. Double-sided design, strong magnetic, very safe and convenient. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Cleaning brush. Window squeegee and scrubber removes window dirt and grime and whisks away all moisture without scratches. The removable and machine-washable microfiber scrubber has a water-absorbing effect and scrubs off dirt and grime. The handheld squeegee, made of natural rubber, provides you streak-free and squeak-free cleaning time. The fluffy microfiber on the top guarantees no scratch on the surface of furniture or wall during cleaning. Adjustable design with the extendable pole, the duster for cleaning can reach around corners, high ceiling fan, and other tough places. It's durable and sturdy, ensure longevity. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Flat mop. The slim design helps to use mop into tight spaces. With best-in-class clearance of 5 cm, it can go under sofa, near all corners and other tight spaces, giving best satisfaction of thorough and versatile cleaning. The toothbrush-style scraper helps to clear hairs, dirt, and small dust particles with precision. Introduces a 360-degree rotation capability, turning cleaning into an adventure. Glide effortlessly under furniture, spin to reach vertical surfaces. Cleaning becomes a joyous task. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Microfiber flat mop. Used for dry mopping as well as wet mopping, also used to clean walls, ceilings, glass windows. Superior microfiber technology helps in trapping fine dirt, easily cleans dirt, dust, hair, pet hairs and dander. Height adjustable telescopic handle, ensures it reaches nooks and corners easily. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Spin mop. The mop stick features an ergonomic and easy grip handle, providing a comfortable and secure hold while you're clean. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Steam mop. With a super quick 20-second heat up time and 1300 powerful steam, mop your floors spotlessly clean in one swipe. With a 5-meter long cord, Steam Mop Swipe provides the freedom to clean without the hassle of constantly switching outlets or overextending yourself. Transition seamlessly from hard floors to carpets with our carpet glider attachment, ensuring a thorough cleaning throughout your home. Steam naturally sanitizes surfaces, killing 99.99% of bacteria and germs, and deodorizes floors, making it an environment-friendly choice. Steam Mop Swipe does not use any chemicals, making it ideal for kids or pets who eat off the floor. It helps you keep your house not only germ-free but also chemical-free, so you do not have to tolerate any strong odor. Mops hard floor of home and kitchen floor quickly. Perfect on floor tiles, wooden floor, laminate floor, marble floor. Also steam clean carpets, rugs and upholstery. Remove dried-on messes from microwaves, ovens, sinks, countertops and more. Activate extra suction power is needed using the boost trigger. Product link is given in the 14th link.